Are you looking for some unusual next-level chicken? This time, we do with buttermilk. Start with 2 chicken breasts, about 1 pound or 500 grams in total. Sprinkle with a good pinch of salt and black pepper, and rub it in gently so the seasoning sticks. Yes, we're giving that chicken a little love. Next, place the fillets into a zip-top bag or a container with a lid. We're setting them up for a good soak in the marinade. Add about 200 milliliters of buttermilk. This is where the magic happens. Buttermilk makes the chicken extra juicy and full of flavor. Throw in 3 to 5 thyme sprigs. Just let those little green guys do their thing. Take 2 cloves of garlic and mince them. We'll use one for the chicken marinade now and set the other aside for the mushrooms later. Toss that in, seal it up, and then give the bag a gentle massage. For best results, let it marinate overnight, about 8 to 12 hours. But if you're in a rush, even 1 to 2 hours will still give you solid flavor. While the chicken's doing its thing, let's work on the mushrooms. Grab 9 to 12 medium white mushrooms and add drizzle of olive oil, some pinch of salt, a few more sprigs of fresh thyme, and that second garlic clove, minced and ready. Then slice up 1 small shallot and throw that in too. Shallots add a soft sweetness that goes so well with mushrooms. Now mix everything together. Hand, spoon, shake the bowl like a bartender. Doesn't matter. Just get everything coated. And final part. Take your marinated chicken out of the fridge and place it right into the air fryer basket. Make sure there's space left. We'll be adding mushrooms later. Set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius and cook for about 20 to 22 minutes. At the 10-minute mark, open it up carefully, flip the chicken, and add in your marinated mushrooms right around the sides. Make sure they're not all piled up. That way, they'll get golden and a little crispy. Pop it back in and let the air fryer do its thing. And now, time for the reveal. Slowly open the basket and just look at that. Perfectly golden chicken, tender grilled mushrooms, thyme and garlic roasted into every bite. It smells amazing and looks amazing. And yep, it tastes even better. And just like that, dinner is done. 1 basket, 2 stars. Juicy buttermilk chicken and aromatic mushrooms. Have an idea to change or improve this recipe? Let us know in the comments. We're open to all opinions. Give this video a like if you're adding it to your must-try list. Subscribe for more easy, flavor-packed air fryer meals. And if you're still hungry, go check out our other recipes. See you in the next one.